Good afternoon, friends. This is Suresh Kumar, District President, Indian National Congress, Vellore Central District, Tamil Nadu. Now I am joining Speaker for Free Universal Vaccination Movement campaign. India is the largest producer of vaccines in the world, but still we are behind 81 countries in vaccinating our people. The only and surest way to defeat the COVID-19 pandemic is to vaccinate every Indian. We all know it, but why the Modi government is not acting towards this end? The nation's goal must be to ensure that everyone over 18 years must given vaccinations regardless of their economic circumstances. But the Modi government is celebrating vaccination festival without vaccines. India has the framework, India has the resources, India has the infrastructures, but only the Modi government lack in commitment to the nation. All Indians are equal, but why Modi government is treating them otherwise? The Modi government's mishandling of the pandemic and their botched vaccination strategy has wrecked every Indian home. It has taken our loved ones, it has taken our livelihoods, and it looms as a spectre on our future. Free vaccination is the right of every Indian, more so when it is the matter of life and death in the middle of the pandemic. But Modi government is rationing vaccines through various means, not giving equal access to all. With India facing many blunders of the Modi government, it is now the poor vaccine policy. The number of daily vaccinations has drastically come down due to poor planning. It is a time for the central government to act on this blunder and fix it. It is the time that such true leadership shines out. But instead of helping people to come out of this crisis, PM Modi has flaunted prophetism and opportunism. India is facing acute shortage of vaccines, and there is no transparency on vaccine distribution. We need a clear vaccine strategy to fight this COVID-19 and the related damages. So I urge the Modi government to ensure free mass vaccination to every Indian. Now India is fighting with two sets of viruses. One is COVID-19, which attacks human body and attacks the inside of the human body. And another one is COVID-19, which is very dangerous and contagious those among the central government and has made them incompetent and not allowing people to get vaccinated to fight COVID-19. Vaccine is the only solution for COVID-19, and Sri Rahul Gandhi is the only solution for COVID-19. Jai Hind, thanking you.